Hello all. I've been working on a project that includes using an LDR sensor and Arduino board, and that is Arduino Uno I'm using, and one electrical imp. And along with that, I'm combining it with Azure Cloud to get the data that I'll be getting from the LDR sensor, and accordingly I'll be pushing a notification into my Android application so as to tell that whether it's a day or a night. So that's just a pet project that I'm doing. So currently I'll just explain you what currently is there. Okay guys, so as I was basically mentioning about that this device is called as an LDR sensor, LDR393. So this is just a LED light that is just telling that it's powered on. So it has three inputs. First is actually two inputs and one output. So one is the V input and the ground, and the third one, the middle one, it's just sending out the output from this LDR sensor. So currently it will blink once it gets triggered. So let's just say if I turn on my flashlight, then you see it blinking, right? So this is means it's being triggered. Okay, so I'll just give a demo maybe later. So this is feeding in the input or the output to the input of my Arduino Uno. So this device right here, what it's doing is that it is getting the data, and it is just sending it to the pin 1 of this device that is called as electrical imp. So this is, as you know, is a microcontroller. It just receives the data, does nothing else, some very less calculations and all. This right here is a microprocessor. So this, it has an inbuilt Wi-Fi also attached to it. So yeah, this is called as an electrical imp. So this is an M001 model, very old. And what it does is basically they have an ID, an online ID provided by the manufacturers. So that basically gets the data from this device, and there you can write all sort of stuff. So currently in my code, what I've done is that I have I've got the data from this device, and I've called an Azure functions. So as you can see here, so I'm just defining. Currently I'm showing you the light bus that I have. So this is basically a queue. Let's just focus a little bit. Okay, so this is, as I was telling, is a queue. So this is the message that I'm getting, and this message is being read by my Android app as well. So currently, since I'm recording this video, it is not able to get the data, and this queue is not being cleared. But as soon as my app restarts or app gets into position, it can get the data and it can clear the queue. Okay, so as I was mentioning about, so we can go into the function app and we can see the app that I've also written. So this is an HTTP trigger function. It will expose you an API or a URL that you can make request to and basically trigger your function. So in my case, I have this light triggered function. So that what it does is that it basically exposes an endpoint to me that I can call from my electrical imp online IDE and make a request. So there's a URL that it gives. Okay, so that was basically pretty much it about it. I'll just give you a demo regarding this. Okay guys, so I have turned on my flashlight and you can see the light is blinking because of that. So if I just turn it off, maybe just turn it off. Okay, so if I just turn it off, then you can see it has turned off, and if I turn it on back again, it will be turned on. And currently we should see some output in the Azure queue as well. So we'll just give it time, because currently I'm getting the data only after 1 minute from this device. So we should be seeing some time soon. Let me just refresh back. Okay, so yep, so as you can see that currently I've got a message with day. So this is just a brief demo of what we can do with it. I can't show you guys the notification that I'm getting in my phone. Maybe website. I'll put it in my next video. Okay, so hope it helps someone. Peace out.